All right, guys, I'm at Rock Knob. Have a nice, difficult climb to the top of Knob Hill. Black trail. Exciting thing is on the back side of this, they built a brand new entire A-line with really technical rock chunk. Can't wait to ride it. Camera never does it justice, but it's fun. I've ridden it once. All right, everybody, made it to the top of Rock Knob. Beautiful November day. You can see Superior over there in the distance across the water there. There's Lake Superior. Just a gorgeous view up here. Tons of climbing to get here, but it's definitely worth the view once you're up here. Now I'm going to make my descent down to that new black technical area. I'll show you guys that. It's fun coming down this big slab. Here we go. Here's the Rock Knob technical area they built. A couple of squirrel catchers leading into it. There'll be a big turn to the right. Oh, hi there, just me.
Me too.
Chunks you hear. Make the descent. A couple of different lines. Then up here, a couple of rock roll downs. There's one of them. It's a whole different section over here that they built this summer. Pretty darn cool. Lots of different lines you can take. All right, everybody, I'm taking a second line here at Rock Knob. It's the new black technical area. Kind of like a wall ride. You come up on this chunk and blast right over it. So many different lines here. I see at least 4 different lines you could take. Another chunky one straight ahead here where you go up and over twice. Definitely want to stay to this side of the chunk. All right, guys, I'm at the section, the black section, the new one they built on Rock Knob Trail off of Rock Knob Hill. Super chunky, reminds me a lot of Piedmont. Nothing too drastic, but it's fun to pick your way down. Lots of different ways to do it. Here we go.